Good morning. Time check. It's 7:44. Hindi pala makita. 7:44 a.m. We are here somewhere in Makati. Lovely Hotel. Lovely Makati. Parang wala ko ba alala ko? Kasi sobrang bilis na pangyayari kahapon. Bakit kami napunta na agad dito ngayon? Supposedly, mamaya pagdating namin ng 11 a.m. dito sa Manila. Kasi ang flight namin is 9 a.m. from Davao. Kahapon around 3 p.m. 4, I received a notification from Cebu Pac na disrupted daw yung flight, so may changes sa schedule. August 29 yung flight, ginawang August 30, like one day talaga yung na-move. And di po pwedeng, kasi mag-claim kami ng race kits for the fun run this weekend. Buti na lang, meron pang iwan na slots doon sa 10:30. Ay nako, tingnan nga natin kung ano bang nangyari kahapon. Hey, what's up? Supposedly, our flight to Manila for a quick weekend trip, supposedly bukas pa ng morning, ng 9 a.m. Around 3 p.m. kanina, well, time check, it's 8:23 in the evening. Around 3 something kanina, mag-4 na yun, may na-receive kami notification message na na-change daw yung flight namin. We registered for a fun run this weekend. Nabukas yung claiming ng race kit. Check namin sa options ng rebooking. Early schedule is 10 o'clock tonight. So now we're here and we're having dinner. Let's eat.
First time namin dito. May maliit na bar and working space. Dito na floor. Tapos parang may game area, arcade areas.
Let's explore the room.
Sa taas, lagyan natin dito. Tapos, ito yung bed. Bunk bed sa taas. Malaki yung mga bed sa taas.
Parang may vanity counter dito, parang lavatory maliit. Tapos may vault sila. Ito naman yung CR nila. Medyo maliit pero not bad na din. We got this room for almost 3,000. Sarap yung adobo. Wow. Tapos gaganon mo lang sa butter. Oh, laban na. Tapos ganun mo. Eat. Soft roll, tapos butter, then adobo, para kumain ng ano yan, meat bread. Bayad ang person. Nabudol siya ng sapatos para sa Coca Midnight Run. Let's buy muna toiletries bago mag-check-in sa Airbnb.
Wow, nice view though. Wow, you get a sneak peek of this side of the road. And then over there also. At least hindi super cramped, no? Okay, thank you.
EV10 Japanese comfort food. First honor, salmon sashimi. Second honor,
Tuna ponzu. Scallop poppers. Spicy gyoza. Scallop poppers. Mm. Spicy gyoza.
Oh, ma-enjoy din na to yan.
Faceless, ano lang siya. Gyudon. Baked aklan oyster. Pero ang hang ito masyado for you. Like it. Harap. Tapos steak ponzu. Ang lambot. So, thumbs up.
Pickles ba? Sila. Flat siya ng person.
Let's explore. Here, mga fruit stand. Fresh fruits. Isda. Wonton. Oh. Nasi. Fruit. No? John. Sausage. Yeah. Good. Binalot for dinner. Sisig. Tilapia.
Wow, looks good.
Okay. Inihaw na baboy.
Delicious. Well, if you're just giving it away, Gerald and I could use it. He saves a lot of bananas in banana bread. Other people maybe want it. Yeah. Jenna.
So how was the party? For me, it was riding in the streets under hail of tear gas and rubber bullets.
Okay. See you.
Care for you.
Oh, that is a terrible accent.
What are you doing?
I make display. We sell 5 in.
Just for friends.
Yeah. Kaling ko ka.
Ice cream is very legal in Korea. Just one more thing you're doing from
You know what? Keep it. What? No, I don't want it. I don't need it. They should be.
them social insurance number.
Second honor ng grab order natin for today's dinner. Ilocos Empanada. Ilocos Empanada.
To thank you. I hear what you're saying about our modern sense of beauty. I think you'll be great.
Gusto ko sana yung chocolate ba? Kaya hindi ako makain ng junk food.
Pieces of pork.
Ito muna ng ano.
Ay, ayoko mag-sauce doon. Bahala na.
Number 1.
Smoke po. Thank you.
Thank you. Bago mag-first date,
Bawal mag ano? O kasi ano no? Keep it cool.
No, this isn't really about pranking. I think we should be able to talk about stuff, you know? I'm not a kid anymore.
Good morning. We are here sa Terminal 3. Pauwi na kami ng Davao this morning. 8:30 yata yung flight. 7:40 boarding. So, we're just waiting here outside Pancake House para mag-breakfast. Hintayin namin na ano kami ng table